In this video, you'll learn how to connect and disconnect your Eventbrite account to Mailchimp so you can remind your contacts about an upcoming event, send announcements, and more. To connect your Eventbrite account to Mailchimp, log into Eventbrite. Find the Mailchimp listing in the Eventbrite App Store and click Get App. If you haven't previously given permission to connect the Eventbrite integration, click Allow. Otherwise, click Connect with Mailchimp. Next, you'll choose whether to sync all events or selected events. If you choose to sync selected events, uncheck the box next to Sync All Events and check the boxes next to the events you want to include. After you chose which events to sync, you have the option to sync all future events and sync past buyer info from selected events. When you're finished, click Next. Click the Connect to Mailchimp icon. Give your Mailchimp authentication a name and click Add. In the pop-up modal, input your Mailchimp username and password and click Login. Again, if you haven't previously given permission to connect the Eventbrite integration, click Allow to authorize the connection. Select which audience you would like the buyers to be added to and click Finish. Awesome! Your Eventbrite data will automatically be added to the selected Mailchimp audience. After your account completes the sync, setup is complete. Now you'll be able to see buyers in your audience and add Eventbrite events to your campaigns using the Product Content block. Check out our knowledge base for more information about how to use e-commerce features and templates. To view the features supported by this integration, visit the Integration page in your account, where you can view details such as the connection status and your synced audience. If you decide to disconnect the Eventbrite integration, log into your Eventbrite account. Click your profile icon and choose Account Settings. In the left navigation panel, click Organizer and choose Apps. Find Mailchimp and click the trash can icon. In the pop-up modal, click Disconnect App. That's it! You've learned how to connect and disconnect the Eventbrite integration in Mailchimp. For more information on our e-commerce integrations, check out our articles in the knowledge base.